$1.3 trillion. That's the figure budgeted for the fiscal year 2024-2025, which begins on April 1. The national budget is everybody's business because it impacts every Jamaican. Join PBCJ via live broadcast and on our online platforms to hear how the government is proposing to use these funds. Finance Minister Dr. Nigel Clarke will open the debate on Tuesday, March 12. Shadow Finance Minister Julian Robinson will have his say on Thursday, March 14. Opposition leader Mark Golding will make his contribution on Tuesday, March 19. Prime Minister Andrew Holness will speak on Thursday, March 21, and on Tuesday, March 26, the Finance Minister will close the budget debate. It's your money, our money, the nation's money. PBCJ, the People's Station, bringing you the 2024-2025 budget debates live.